The Scale Blaster water conditioner is very simple to install. The installation involves a computerized control box and a signal cable that is wrapped around the incoming cold water supply line going into your home. There's no cutting into the pipe or special tools required for most installations. The Scale Blaster unit is designed for copper, PVC, CPVC, or PEX pipe. The most desirable location to install Scale Blaster is on the main cold water pipe. Install the Scale Blaster unit on this pipe as close to where it comes into the house as possible. If you cannot access the cold water pipe before it splits, follow the main cold water pipe back as far as possible from the water heater and install the unit there. For customers on a private well, the best place to install the Scale Blaster unit is after the well's pressure tank. The power box should be mounted on a wall or other solid surface within 5 feet from an electrical outlet and within 10 feet of where the pipe will be wrapped. Once the main water inlet pipe to the house is located, identify a section of pipe that is at least 12 inches straight and at least 2 feet away from any major electrical interference. For best results, keep the signal cable as far away as possible from T's, elbows, couplings, and valves. Mount the Scale Blaster unit on a solid surface. Insert the end of the signal cable into one of the 2 terminal block holes or one of the binding post holes. Route the signal cable to the inlet pipe. Hold the cable parallel and next to the pipe. Using one of the cable ties, secure the wire to the pipe. Wrap the loose end of the signal cable securely around the pipe in any one direction. The actual number of wraps required is determined by pipe size and type of pipe. Refer to the installation manual for the correct number of wraps. Make sure there are no gaps or loose wires during the wrapping stage. They must be flush against one another and not overlapping. When wrapping the pipe is complete, secure it to the pipe with a second cable tie. Route the loose end of the signal cable back to the power box. Insert the end into the other terminal block hole or receptacle post. Plug the Scale Blaster unit into a nearby 110-volt power outlet. A green scrolling LED light panel will come on. The best feature of Scale Blaster is that there is no maintenance required. No salt, no batteries, no filters to change, no costly repairs. Please allow for up to 90 days for full effects, as the descaling process does not happen overnight. Enjoy your Scale Blaster water conditioner.